Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a delicious lasagna. First, soak dry shiitake mushrooms in white wine for about 3 to 4 hours. Now add some olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Add 1 chopped onion, some minced garlic, and sauté them. Add ground sausage and chopped mushrooms and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 cups of marinara sauce, fresh chopped parsley, and salt and pepper to taste. Lower the heat and simmer for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, we add chopped fresh basil to 2 cups of ricotta cheese, salt and pepper to taste, and 2 eggs. Mix well. Now for the assembly. Start with a base of meat sauce, your lasagna sheets in an overlapping method. We opted to use whole wheat pasta. Now a layer of ricotta, and sprinkle with mozzarella and freshly grated Parmesan. Repeat the layers, and try to aim for about 4 to 5 layers. Now cover the lasagna with tin foil and place it in a preheated oven 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. Uncover the lasagna 10 minutes prior to removing it from the oven if you like a more crusty top. Cut, serve, and of course, enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our Tuesday and Wednesday uploads. Feel free to comment if you have any suggestions or ideas for future videos. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on another episode of Plate on a Budget.